Hi, this is Boyong, a small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. So for today's video, we're gonna making videos for the ratchet tie downs. I'll show you how to do it. So this is the ratchet tie downs when you're securing an item or an equipment. This is the one, and this is the trailer of a plate compactor of 400 kg, and this is his tie downs. Okay, I'll show you the proper way using a tie downs. Okay, um, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. This is Boy again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. Let's do this. So meron tayo ditong ratchet tie downs. Mali yan kasi ito nasa ilalim, so this is wrong because the tie downs is underneath in the handle. This tie downs needs to be in here in the top, not in the bottom. Okay, this is wrong. So for today's video, I'll show you how to set up a ratchet tie downs. Okay, let's go. So where you are undoing a tie downs, up there, you need to pull this, pull it out, pull, and you just pull like that. If you hear the click, that's the one. Then this is the lock. Pull it down. Then while you pulling it down like that, same as the pulling in this handle and pulling down the lock. After that, it's already loose. Then take off the tie downs, then pull it out. Okay. Pull it out all the way. Then after that, you need to fold it. The right way to doing a tie down is fold it like that. Then fold it completely like this. Then find the entry in the middle. So after you enter the middle and you fold it like that already, then set up your tie downs like that. Then you fold it already, then insert it inside and pull all the way. Yeah, this is the right thing. When you pull it away, pull it like that, then unlock it. Lock it like that. As you can see, it's much better and secured. Look at that. Then when you're doing securing the tie downs, because it's loose and too much, just make a loop like this all the way. And after making the loop, you need to grab like this. There's a two-way securing this, then get this one and make a nut. Hold it, put your hand inside, grab it, then make a loop like that. Then that's the first one. Then tie it down like that. That's it. That's the first one. And the second, you can see it's nice and tidy and much secure. No tie downs in the lock in here. no tie downs below in the handle, because that is wrong. You're making a big bulge in this lock, in this area lock, getting a big lumps of tie downs rope. Okay, and this is the way. No big lump inside and easy to unlock it, because if it's too much lumps of a tie down rope in here, it's so hard to unlock it. So the second thing to secure the tie downs is this one. Do it. Take this off and make a lumps again. So the second, and the other part is when you want to secure the ratchet or rope to tie downs, you need to make a loop, get underneath, then when you get that, put it inside, then when you put inside, you need to roll it. Roll. 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 Yeah. Okay. That's the second one. And that's fucking secured. Ah, sorry. Sorry for my word. That is secured. Know where to go. Okay? That's done. I hope you learn from tricks in the ratchet tie downs. Okay? Let's go. This is Boyong again, a small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. I hope you learned something to doing some tie downs and ratchet. Okay, like and share and comment down below so that I know where my video goes. And thank you for watching. Okay, this is Boyong again, a small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. Thank you.